Ooh, you're here for the new layout. I guess it's time for the big reveal. I know you've been patient wondering, Alicia, what is going on? When are you gonna show us? Well, let's get right to it. Welcome to my latest video of the new layout. Come on, let's check out this new design. If you have not experienced the salon, I advise you, when I go ahead and reopen back up, you gotta make sure you make your appointment for a service. My business has been around for many years now, and what I wanted to do, I wanted to create a fresh, modern space that reflects our growth and evolution as a company. I want to make sure that this new design not only looks beautiful, but also improves the functionality of our store, which will create a better streamline and workflow, providing a better experience for our customers and our team. So, do you remember what the old salon layout looked like? Come on, let's do a little walkthrough. I want to show you right now. So what I did is I printed out the salon old layout right here so I can show you some of the functionality issues that I want to change. And don't get me wrong, the layout was beautiful, but when you get a chance to grow, it is okay to grow. So right away in the old salon layout, when you come in, there's a front desk to your right. I didn't mind the front desk being there, but it was so close to the styling area. So sometimes what happens is when clients come in, they'll check in at the front desk, then they'll see their stylist. And what do you do when you see your stylist? You want to talk. And that is okay, but you're not giving the client that's being serviced right there that privacy. So I felt like that was the first issue that I want to change inside the new salon layout. And then in the styling area, I was able to accommodate about 14 salon stations. I love the beautiful natural sunlight because it was right there in the open windows. So I didn't have any issues right there in that area. But there was a private room. It was located on the far right of the stylist area. I just felt like there's something else needed to be in that area. So that was my second issue that I felt like I wanted to change inside the new layout. So if you go around from the front desk, there is a refreshment bar, and clients love refreshments. It had coffee, water, things available for the clients while being serviced. It wasn't bad, but I knew it needed to be upgraded. So that was one of my third issues that I felt like I wanted to change inside the new salon layout. So let's go ahead, and if you walk around to the back, you have the shampoo area, the dryer area, and you have an assistant area. Then on this big wall, there was the color bar. The color bar had all the cotton chemicals, the color, everything mixing that we had to use for the clients when they're being serviced for the chemical area and the color area. But I felt like something else needed to be right there in that area. So that was one of my fourth issues that I felt like I want to change inside the new layout. Now if you go ahead and go around to the back, there was a break room. In the break room, it wasn't bad because it was able for clients and stylists to be able to take a little break and have some time away for themselves. But I felt like I was not utilizing that space correctly. See, everything inside your salon, you want to make sure you utilize that space to create a better workflow for you and your team. So that was one of my fifth things I felt like I need to change inside the new layout. So inside the salon, I had a couple different areas where I did a retail display, which will be for the units, the hair, and for products. I just felt like that space of the area I needed to change and kind of design it a little bit more for the clients to be able to see some of that retail space. So that was my sixth thing that I want to change with the new layout. As you see, we had a lot of work to do just to transform the space and the vision I had in mind. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna erase those plans. We're gonna start fresh. The first step was to create a new layout that would allow a better flow, more efficient use of space. I spent a lot of time working with our designers to come up with the perfect layout. I want to make sure that I could accommodate all of the services while also creating a welcoming and comfortable environment for our clients. So walking in, we have a dedicated area. Clients would check in, no need for them to look around for their stylist. We included more privacy for all the clients and adding a little bit more lighting to set that welcoming experience. I designed it to be comfortable and cozy with plenty of seating. And I have a refreshment bar, which clients can relax right before their appointments. It's that perfect place to unwind before your salon experience. So the stylist area, more space, comfortable flow. What I did was I removed the HVAC system, removed the electrical panel, removed the private room, removed the door, and placed it on the other side. It opens up the room, natural lighting, extended space, comfortable, open feeling. And that's what the stylists and the clients love. There were certain retail areas inside the salon. What I wanted to do was reorganize our retail display to make it easier for our clients to be able to browse our products, to touch our products, to see our products. So I focused on reorganizing those retail areas throughout the salon. One of my main focus was the extension bar. When I tell you I took my time on designing that, I want to make sure everything just looked beautiful and luxury. So I felt like it needed to be right in the front. It would create that unique experience for each one of the clients to be able to touch, feel, and see the different textures of hair. It needed to be in a dedicated space for our extension services. That would allow our stylists to have everything available within reach, which will make their job easier and more efficient. So with the drying area, I pretty much kept it the same. But what I did was I just upgraded that area. A little bit more privacy, and we have high efficient hair dryers, faster drying time, and very healthy for the hair. So right behind the front desk, there's a refreshment bar. It looks so beautiful, a modern design with a bar feel. I want to make sure my guests feel comfortable while being serviced. So we have complimentary refreshments, beautiful, beautiful design. You have to check out this area when you come into the salon. The shampoo area, what I did was I lowered the back bar. Easy access for the stylist to be able to get the shampoo, the conditioner, and I upgraded the salon equipment. So when I moved the front desk, I also created an easy access to go ahead and go back to the drying area, the shampoo area, the assistant area. So this is the assistant area. What I did was I added an additional station, so now we're able to accommodate 4 assistants. So right here in this area, I removed the color bar and I added a steam treatment area. What better than healthy hair is to have those different customizable treatments. So they're available right here inside the new salon layout. As you know, we have a brand called M2 Professional Tools. If you have not had one of the tools, you gotta get one because the quality is amazing. So I wanted to have this area focus on the use of the tools, how they work on different hair types. I have different hair tools, which are hair straighteners, curling irons, heat protector spray, serums. So I wanted to create a display especially for the M2 Professional Tools. So this is where it's gonna be at. So what I did was the back room, I divided it into 4 different suites. So the first suite, I used it as a color bar. So again, we still need our color bar area. That's where we mix all our chemicals, do all our color right there. The next to that area is my office. It's gotta have my office. And then we have 2 salon suites. When I tell you the salon suites are very private, beautiful. You will have your own refreshment bar, salon station, dryer, you don't have to leave and do anything until you're done with your service. You will like the privacy of those suites located right here in the new salon layout. So overall, I'm thrilled with the design ideas we have for the new salon layout. I cannot wait for you guys to come see it in person and experience this transformation for yourself. So stay tuned for the next video where I'll show you the progress of what we've done so far. Yes, and our grand opening will be coming soon, so you gotta be there. And thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you soon.